Wanguya.
Guys, we are the Jumbo, and we decided to work with who?
Jesse.
No.
Who?
Wanguya. Muturi. Jesse.
Not him.
And I know
it's me.
And I know, guys, it's been a long time since we dropped. But you know, because of why? Because we wanted to drop some things, eh?
Yeah.
Like things,
some
man.
goodies,
Some things, man. So, I will just relax. Take your time. I know you guys don't have money, but people like me who have money, we do things fast.
People like
like me.
People like
Yeah.
No, hold on.
Let's
So let me show you guys, with me,
Position.
is a Samsung. Samsung Z-Fold.
That's why you folded your arms.
So now guys, this is the one phone that mimi nikishika na wadharau wengine. But it's okay. So guys, we have Samsung Z-Fold.
I know most of you are wondering, are these real phones? It's boxes they are holding.
Don't
worry.
real phones.
We are here for you. We are here. Money has nothing on us. I know nothing are real. I know haters are going to say these are haters. These are mama. It's okay. So guys, actually tuonyeshe what we have inside here.
Let's smoke.
Wagwan! You know, it's your favorite, funnest, the shooter with the prettiest attitude, Joanne Morioki, and Leo Nimona too. It's okay to lift the poor. It's in my passion to help the poor and support them. Yes, you peasant, introduce yourself.
I love that introduction. I'm very poor. So I'm Lewis. I am #1 fan for Jumbo Out.
True. Then on the other hand, you know, we say there's some people who don't need an introduction, but you're just looking at them, the way they are, when you're on a car, you just know who they are.
V.
Introduce yourself, sir.
Hey guys, my name is Wanguya. Wanguya to riches.
Sponsor?
Random dude.
Yeah. So, you are show.
Washo.
No. Oh myself. Oh my god.
Myself.
Oh my
True.
god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Toi. Lewi. Shika mama kwa furahi.
First of all, I can't say I thank me. I want to thank you guys. Jua.
You're not even rubbing tears. You're a
I'm
bad
too
actor.
emotional,
Anyway,
Watch
okay,
out.
as you can peep. This is the what?
An iPhone.
Ikona,
Only an iPhone.
We'll make sure kanze kona apolimo. It's not the Githurai ones.
Easy ile itel. Easy itel.
Sile nyonaso nona itel. Anyway, Lewi, nifungue ama utafungua?
Wacha nifungue. Kijana wa Rongai. Mama, I made it. Angalieni tu.
Acha ina chime.
Look at
it. Is shining.
Look
oh my
at
god.
It. The iPhone 13ProMax.
Limited edition. Is it special?
It is special.
So this, what you're looking at here right now, is the iPhone 13 Pro Max, but this is a special edition. Made carbon crystals, as you can see, it shines. So this is a Sierra Blue with carbon crystals with the camera cover lens, or you can just call it a camera protector, and obviously the mid carbon. Yeah, and this is the phone.
iPhone Kenya manzi. You guys should empower us to power ourselves to get such phones, man.
iPhone Kenya, kindly sponsor us. Sponsor
Kindly.
us. Apple City, come on. Sponsor the young ones.
iPhone Siri.
Okay, tumeingia. Well, let us see the specs ya hii simu.
It's a dual SIM, the first thing.
1 terabyte bana. 4K video hapa. Scratch resistant, water resistant.
It's 5G.
12 megapixels pale to 2160p.
How is the inches and the wideness of the phone? Is the camera?
The inches and the wideness, I'm not really sure about them. Let me put the details on the screen so you can see the details about the phone that we haven't included when we are talking about it. But what I can tell you about this phone, since it's a special edition, it came with 2 boxes. Some boxes are not here, as you can see. There's the first box, which is this, and the second box came with the wireless charger. It came with the AirPods 3, which goes for around 40k if I'm not wrong. It also came with, what am I forgetting? Oh, the phone cases. Kindly show them the phone cases.
I'm so
Changamka bana.
Yeah. So you can see those are the phone cases. Nothing special. So,
just leather, nothing special.
nothing special. Ngozi tu ya ng'ombe. Za Rongai. Nothing special.
But the phone itself is kind of special, as you can see for yourself, huh? And one more thing you need to understand about this phone: getting it is not normal. You just don't go to a shop and buy it. You have to order. You have to explain which type of spec do you want in terms of size, color, and accessories. For me, I chose a watch, the AirPods 3. What else? The headphones. The headphones go for around 75k. Yes, I think, give or take. And obviously the phone itself and the wireless charger and the Type-C charger. So yes, I chose all that for the phone. And yes, that's all you need to know about the phone. And when it reached Kenya, it had to go through a licensed Apple dealer who took it to an agent who brought that phone to me. And yes, you cannot steal this phone. When you switch it off, it's still trackable. Thank you. I think that's it.
So
roughly, are you okay with giving us the total cost
of the phone?
I don't know. I think it's around 310,000.
He doesn't even.
Which is a bit affordable compared to the next phone that is. So this phone goes for 310,000 plus the accessories, everything, the covers, the protectors. 310,000. You can't even tell it has a screen protector. You can actually think it's its own screen that you're touching, but it's not. And it still has that quality feel you get with an iPhone.
Sisi ambao tuna pesa, tumekuja
na mali.
Mnamjua already. So, leo, since I represent the streets, actually we are representatives.
Yeah.
Representatives from the streets. We are back.
The streets.
And now we bring this Galaxy Z-FOLD3. Wacha tuanze na kale kadogo. The tiniest of them all. Pods.
Before you go to the specs, this, as they said it, this is the Samsung Galaxy Z-FOLD3 Phantom Green Carbon Matte Crystals. And it's a special edition.
Special.
And it's matte black.
Exactly.
Card is matte black and the phone is also matte black.
Yeah, and I'm black also.
Let's start with the bigger box. What does it have inside? So here is this kathingi. I have no idea. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. As it's written. Oh, sorry. So it's written flip cover with pen. Slip of the tongue kizungu pia. So here's the cover, which how much is this? I mean, it just came as a package.
Basically, I'm not really sure, but I'm guessing this is around maybe 20,000.
Wow,
20,000.
Yeah. Also 20,000 or 15.
There are these 3 thingies, which I'm sure one costs 5 Gs.
Yeah, 5,000 for just one of these. I don't even know what their names are, but these are the needs of these.
Yeah.
Screen protector film, 360 degrees.
Portable wireless charger.
So this charger charges the watch, and it can also charge the buds. I own Galaxy Buds Live and the Galaxy. No, this is just the normal Galaxy Buds. These are the rose gold.
Rose
cases.
gold.
It looks like a phone to me, but
Yeah, it looks like a phone.
not to me, to you. I mean, vitu za kawaida.
That's wireless power bank.
I don't. Yeah, my friend, do that thing. Galaxy Z.
No, you are. Don't let
Are you shy? I'm scared. Please do.
You know,
do the
this
honor.
is in a Pro Box.
The first this we do it together. This is a one-time opportunity. I'm sure it's the first. We'll get more because I mean Samsung. Yeah. So
Shika hapo ni shika hapa.
pole pole keki ya harusi.
Yeah. Hey.
Hey,
Hey.
hold on a minute.
And to the viewers, kindly remember, I already unboxed all these.
Yeah.
That's why you see we are lacking some items here and there. Okay, back to the video.
So, guys, this is it. The Samsung Z-FOLD3. 5G.
Special edition. Made carbon crystals.
How do we pull this?
You flip.
You flip mwendo.
My guys. Oh, we can I?
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
It feels like
This
doing-
is an advantage. From there I take also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's also this one. Oh. It feels like doing that thing for the first time.
Yeah.
You know what it is? That thing.
But this
Yeah,
is
riding
an
a bicycle
advantage.
for the first time. Very interesting. I think this is also expensive, right?
Yeah,
we just keep
Yeah,
it,
we just keep
we
them.
keep them as a souvenir.
Yeah.
Hey, my guys, hata sijakisha simu
But-
imezimwa, but you can see.
Fold
Oh my god.
3 5G.
Hii sijui
Special
nitaru-
edition.
sijui nitarudi kwetu aje wakiniona nashika hii. So
By the way, see, yeah, it's not ours.
it's mine. It's not his, it's mine. Clearly, I mean, you can tell.
Ukianza kufuata ushike shimo.
Wacha to prove ni ya nani. So we're switching it on. I'm not sure I'm doing the right thing. Oh yeah. You see, it's a Samsung Galaxy. Oh, and it's an Android. It's an Android for those of you that like the other type of phones. Oh, by the way, it's powered by Knox. Voila.
Starting Android.
It's an Android, but it looks like a plane. I mean, it's wondrous. Oh my gosh! You can operate it on this slim side, and you can also
Unfold it.
and fingerprint. You can have fingerprint sensor. So let's get to the details. It's 5G.
2000/200 Mbps.
Mbps. It was launched on 21st August 11,
2021.
It weighs 271 grams. When it's unfolded, it's 158.2 times 128.1 times 6.6 mm. When it's folded, it's 158.2 with changes to 67.1. Gorilla Glass.
It has 512 GB. It has 5 cameras in total. Those are the basics. Its camera performance is better than the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and it's a dual SIM.
It has a 4K.
It matches
Oh.
the word.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Please unfold the phone.
Fold the phone.
I'm sure this watch is bigger than my wrist, but yeah. So, see, they match. So, I mean, kuna watu wameomoka huku nje. me being one of them.
Me also.
So, my guys.
Other things you haven't said about the Samsung Z Fold 3. Its security is better compared to the iPhone 13 Pro Max, because everything you can, even when you format the phone itself, the data still remains. No matter what you do, you cannot unlock this phone using my personal details. Yes, and its facial recognition is a bit faster compared to the iPhone. I am telling you all this because I've used both phones. It's not about what they say on the internet, it's about the experience I've had. Thank you.
Don't forget to like,
Subscribe,
comment,
and check
share.
him out. Check him out.
At Jesse.
Wanguya, Muturi, Jesse.
Yeah.
Samsung and iPhone, kindly support us. Wanguya.